I really feel strongly about this, so I'm reading it. The majority of the world is a dog-eat-dog world, where it's survival of the fittest. In this world, most things are backwards in Murphy's Law rules. If anything can go wrong, it will. There is nothing the way it seems, the way it looks. There is so much more torture than what is really shown. There is so much manipulative deception. It's too much to bear. What about the Holocaust? The brutal killing of JFK or Nicole Simpson? What about victims of Michael Jackson, Bill Cosby, the Bushes, Clintons, Obama? Now Biden is on YouTube out child molester. Great. Yeah, I really want to know that. Ecclesiastes 1:8. All things are wearisome, more than one can say. Money answereth all things in Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes 4. Oppression, toil, friendlessness. Again, I looked and saw all the oppression that was taking place under the sun. I saw the tears of the oppressed, and they had no comforter. And I declared that the dead who had already died are happier than the living who are still alive. But better than both is the one who's never been born, who has never seen the evil that is done under the sun. What can one do? Pray. Dearest Lord Heavenly Father, please I ask, claim that you take away all of the negative hell thoughts and replace them with your peace that passes all understanding by the powerful, precious, sacred blood of God, who is Jesus, who conquers the wickedness in heavenly realms. Read that. The other way, I usually... Life is what you make of it. Life is what you make of it. What about third world countries? And over half of the people who are tortured on this planet. Very sad fact. Should these people, who unfortunately were always in bad shape, to say the least, kill themselves? Just being real, because who is going to help them out? Who's going to help out the Sudan and Haiti children who are raped every day? There are very few people who ever get really helped out, who are victims. How about the worst people in the world who committed the worst evil crimes? Was there barely any consequences for what they do? How much? That's too windy.